Hello guys, this is Dhiren. Welcome back to my channel DI Tech Creator. Guys, today I am going to upgrade the desktop PC. So guys, then let's see. You can see guys. So guys, you can see here. This is Asus PB H61 ml. You can see 61 motherboard. So guys, here I will install the SSD. You can see guys, this is the 500 GB and this is 2 GB RAM, DDR3. You can see here guys, 1333, and this also 1333. I will replace the CMOS, this CMOS also, and I will replace this DVD writer also. You can see guys. So guys, watch the full video. First, I will clean this motherboard. You can see guys, so I will clean with this brush. So guys, I clean the motherboard. Oh my god. So guys, now I will install this SSD. Next, install. Setup is starting. Boot menu and SATA and VIPI DVD. Install. Next, install. You can see guys, 465 and new. So guys, I need for 200 GB for C drive. So this is for 200 GB for C drive. How to calculate, I will show you guys. Let's see how to I calculate this. You can see guys, 200 into 1024, this is the 1 GB equal to 1024 MB, and plus 550, and then enter. You can see guys. So now this is for new. I will install in this partition. Next, you can see guys, wait for a while, minimum 30 minutes. So guys, installation is complete. You can see guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.